In the latest version of Microsoft Office, you have the capability of saving your document as a PDF and then opening PDF documents. So let's start off by saving this Word document as a PDF. So you go to the File menu, the Save As option. You select your folder where you want to save, and then Save As type. You change the type to PDF. So let's call this my doc. That will save. Yes. So now my document has been converted to a PDF document, which is a portable document file type. If I should ever lose the Word document and I want to edit this PDF, I can right click on it and go to Open With, then I choose Word Desktop, which is a 2013 version of Word. And Word will proceed to open a PDF. It's the first time that this document can be edited. But if there are special images and characters, you might not be able to edit in the PDF. So now I have my PDF document, as you can see up here, open, and I'm still able to edit my PDF. And if I click Save, it actually asks me to save a Word copy. Let me save a Word copy, but still the PDF has been edited. So let me close this document and open the PDF normally. So here you see the PDF opened, and then you see the Word version with my edits. That means you can now recreate a PDF with your new Word version.